What's up, everybody? You already know it is. It's your boy, Marketing with Dom. Today, I want to talk about how to make money online in 2021. A few things I want to say is, I promise this will be the easy and fastest way you'll ever know how to make money online. And if you follow me through, I'm going to break your mindset down to truly start getting income ASAP at Tano, okay? And the way I'm going to do that is by doing this, okay? First off, you can't make money online. I mean that. So you do not what we consider make money. And because people think about that, they try to become way too creative when in fact they're just looking to increase their income. Now, what do I mean by you can't make money? No, the only way you get money online is by getting somebody else to pay you, okay? That is the only way. The only way you make money online is if someone pays you. So no, you're not making money. You need to get money from others, and you need to think about that. It's not in a bad way, but you have to wonder, how do I get other people to pay me? And that will shorten up all these ideas you have about these 3,000 projects you're trying to do when you're focusing on the main objective is how do you get money from someone else, which means how do you transfer value of what you have in exchange for someone else across the digital platform. That's it. Now you're exchanging that. And today I'm about to give you the juice on how to do that, all right? Okay, first of all, you need something to sell to others, okay? That's the truth. Pin there. You need something to sell to others. If you do not understand that part alone, you're way off. And I'm going to give you all the answers and how to do it step by step in this video. All right? So next thing is you need something to sell. Okay? And the number one thing to sell for me is software. People ask why. Let's go back. My bad. Let's go back. People ask why. Residuals. I like residuals, okay? And softwares are so residual, and there's a few things why I pick software over everything else. One, they're usually self-explanatory, so it's not like trying to sell a high-end course or something for somebody else where you feel like you have to explain it. No, it's pretty explainable. Software does its job. Someone chooses when they use something. Software contains people for long periods of time than you get month to month, which it makes it 10 times easier to make my money back when I invest in shit like this. Hey, okay, now, what I'm going to give you today, okay? I'm going to give you the niche, I'm going to give you the product, and I'm going to give you the way to sell it. I'm literally give you the step-by-step in here without making it complicated, without having 10,000 sites to try to build nothing. I'm going to give it to you straight, solid. All right, so the thing you need is traffic, conversion, sales. That's what you need to make money online. Traffic, where are you going to get the people from? Who are you going to get them? How are they going to be a good quality niche? 2, what are you going to sell them? What are they converting? What do they have to do? What can you give them? What can you give them in exchange to get their information, to get them in the system? And the very last thing. The very, very last thing. Sell them. Okay? Now I'm going to give you everything you need right here. Is this the last slide? This may be the last slide. Yeah, okay. So OnlyFans is the niche. The software is called OnlyFansFollower.com is where you'll find it. And the way they sell it is mass Instagram DMs. That's the way to sell it. You know, first of all, I've already made $1,500. I haven't even released the campaign. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to release this on YouTube first. I'm going to let people do it, try it, make money. Comment down below. If you think I'm joking, if you think this doesn't make money, it's because you're not an action taker. I'm about to just break it down to you. Let me even show you where you can get all the stuff from. So just get it one step further. Go to OnlyFansFollower.com. You need to just follow these directions and you need to start making money. Walk by walk. Get this. This is simple. You don't need to pay for nothing to be an affiliate. Literally click here, put your email in, get an affiliate link. That's it. That's it. You're going to have to fill out your W-2 information and stuff like that just to make sure you get your money. But, you know, this is it. You ain't got to go through no complicated process. None of that. Boom. Right? The second thing is that you're in the money-making niche. You're going to help somebody. So what you're doing is helping OnlyFans creators make more money across the OnlyFans platform by selling them a software that they use in their computer consistently every single month to make sure they're making thousands of more dollars. In exchange, they pay, it's $200 if they buy it from the website, but the website will give you 30% off when you have a link. So it'll be cheaper from you. They'll give you $40 a month that person uses it. So just imagine this. Now you go here to Mass DMs, right? You get $40 a month per user. Now you want to get it niched, right? So what I would do is I'd go to here, I'd buy a Mass DM campaign, 100,000. I bet $500 on this. 100,000 people, I get a message, 100,000 people. For 100,000 people in a targeted niche, okay, I need to, how many people do I need to sell? I need to actually technically sell 2 people for a year. So let's say I only convert 10 people. Forget it, 10 people. If I only convert 10 people, I have 100,000 people to use this software. I will make $400 a month now, right? I'm going to trade $400 and turn $400 into a month. Simple as that. Now, mass DMs. Send them out to a niche. What do I do for niche? Let's go to Instagram. Let's go to Instagram. First of all, let's go to Instagram. How would I niche it out? Oh, jeez, I got to do all this. Let's see where we're at. Niche it out, right? We're going to niche it out. Not now. So if we're niching it out, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to pick a hashtag, and I might just go hashtag OnlyFans. Do they allow that? Is hashtag OnlyFans okay still? Do they allow it or no? They don't allow it. So let's say hashtag OnlyFans creators. Because that's even better. Forget about it. What happened? I'm just walking you through in real time how I do it. Ooh, there are girls, models, 200 posts, 200,000 posts. Girls, let's see about creators. Ooh, that's niched, boy. That's niched. We out here niching it. 500K, right? Oh, they only got 50K here. Now imagine if you can convert out of 50,000 or 100,000 DMs sent to people in this niche, right? I'd pick a few of these. OnlyFans creator, probably go to OnlyFans girls. I'd go to the whole shenanigans. Now, send it out 100,000 DMs. Imagine in a year if you got 1,000 people to purchase. Think about that. That's 1% conversion. Like 1% conversion is 1,000 people. 1,000 people is $40,000. What if they only buy it for 1 month? That's 40,000. That's what I'm talking about. So it's your boy Marketing with John. This is the quickest way to make money online. And I'm gonna end up doing this campaign. I swear I'm gonna do a follow-up video and talk about how much money I've made from this. Y'all gonna be on some crazy shit. You're gonna be like, whoa! I'm gonna be like, let's go. Alright? So this is me doing the campaign. This is what I would do right here. I literally built this out because people have been asking me how do I make money online. I'm like, you can't make money online. You have to exchange for a product. There's no making money online. There's exchanging products, for example, for you to make money, and this is an easy way to start. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Let's go!